Hey, hello friends. I welcome you to this session of grammar, Pravikshika 1 revised syllabus. Today we are going to sing Karak. So question number 1. What is Karak? Karak की परिभाषा लिखिए. परिभाषा means the definition. संज्ञा या सर्वनाम का जो रूप वाक्य के अन्य शब्दों के साथ अपना संबंध प्रकट करें उसे कारक कहते हैं. दैट मीन्स द आंसर इज noun or pronoun when they are established a relationship with another word that is known as karak. Also, we can say that karak has 8 types, so it is very difficult to give one proper definition, but karak in base form known as the cases or situations in which the sentence is mentioned, okay, and they are solving the particular purpose, that is karak in that particular situation. Question number 2. कारक कितने प्रकार के होते हैं और वे क्या क्या हैं? The question is, what are the types of karak and what are they? Okay, so let's find the answer. कारक 8 प्रकार के हैं. कर्ता कारक, कर्म कारक, कारण कारक, संप्रदाय कारक, अपादान कारक, संबंध कारक, अधिकरण कारक, संबोधन कारक. So these are the 8 types of karak. Let me describe you in the English form. Karta means nominative. Number 2, karm is deeds related. Number 3, karan means through or by which. Number 4, sampradan, that means a receiver or the beneficiary. Number 5, upadan, that means without this or except this. Sambandh, that means in relation with or relative. Number 7, adhikaran, that means locating. Number 8, sambodhan, that means greetings or addressing or welcoming. Okay, so these are the 8 types of karak. Now let's move ahead with the third question. कर्म कारक और संप्रदाय कारक में क्या अंतर है? So the question is, what is the difference between कर्म कारक and संप्रदान कारक? So the answer is, कर्म कारक के विभक्ति चिन्ह और संप्रदान कारक के विभक्ति चिन्ह एक ही हैं. को कर्म कारक के को उदाहरण देखिए. राम को बुलाया, श्याम को मारो. पर संप्रदान कारक को उदाहरण देखिए और समझिए. राम को 3 आम दो. अर्थ में अंतर है. So let's see in English. कर्म कारक and the different symbols are similar with the sampradhan karak symbols, and that is ko. Karma karak, check the examples related to ko. Ram ko bulao, call Ram. Sham ko maro, hit Ram. And now check out the examples of sampradhan karak related to same letter ko. Ram ko 3 aam do. Give Ram a piece of 3 mangoes. So this is the difference, is the major role here in karak. Okay, the words are similar, the representation is ko, but the application is huge apart. Okay, now let's move with the fourth question. Karan karak से और अपादान कारक से में क्या उत्तर है? इट्स लाइक द क्वेश्चन इज what is the difference between karana karak and the symbol se with apadan karak with the same symbol, that is se? The answer is करण कारक से और अपादान कारक से इन दोनों के अर्थ अंतर है। जैसे कलम से लिखो, घर से जाओ, राम से गोपाल बड़ा है। The answer is both the karam and apadan symbols, that is say, is different. For example, write with a pen, go from this house. Ram is elder than Gopal. Okay. Okay, so as I am keep on telling you, my friends, on all my videos, that it is very difficult to change complete Hindi grammar into a English verbatims or terminology. So please be careful. I'm giving English words for your better understanding. Okay, so வாங்க இப்போ நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோ பார்க்கலாம் அடுத்த வாரம். ஓகே, அப்போ வரையும் எனக்கு பாய் பாய் சொல்லிடுங்க. டேக் கேர்.